How to create tutorials with NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website, then log into your account. Once logged in, click on Start Editing to enter the workspace. NanoBanana.ai offers various AI-powered tools to help you create high-quality visual content for your tutorials, including images, text prompts, and visual effects. Start by planning your tutorial topic and the content you want to cover. Use the text-to-image feature to generate visuals for each step of your tutorial. You can also upload images and enhance them with AI tools, adding animations or graphics to make your instructions clear. Next, combine these visuals into a sequence. If your tutorial requires multiple steps, make separate images for each step. Then use video editing or slideshow tools to merge them into a cohesive tutorial video. Don't forget to add text captions, highlights, or AI-generated voiceovers to guide viewers through your tutorial. NanoBanana.ai makes it easy to include engaging visuals and explanations without complex editing software. Finally, review your tutorial, make necessary adjustments, and export your project. Now your tutorial is ready to share on social media, websites, or e-learning platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.